bluebird. Bluebird is when 3 or more or less.
Then what happens? What do you see of this much snowball?
When two of them split up. When one snowball ball splits apart, you call it a bluebird.
There's a branch right there too.
Over. About you.
Some say bluebird. Some say bluebird. Small, large, and medium. Oh, say bluebird, large, medium. Like if it's a bluebird, say bluebird.
The branch is there.
Small, medium, or large.
There too.
Where?
What?
Can I see it from where I'm standing?
Tim, look. How many
Maybe I'll pass
could be a
here.
bluebird?
Yeah, right there.
Oh yeah, I see it.
Look, Tim, block it with your shovel.
Pause.
Okay,
Oh no, I don't want you throwing it, Sam.
I know.
It's plastic.
Okay.
Yes, practice.
Okay, but I still want snow going in here.
Can you help us build now?
Maybe we're going to go inside for lunch and then we'll come back after.
Hey, we
12 o'clock.
can't. Uncle Way.
Who?
If Uncle Marco comes
Can you attack?
Can you?
Okay, I'll do it for a second. Then it's getting to be lunchtime. Everybody wants to eat.
Okay. Large, big, medium, or large. You can get around the front to block.
Alright, stay here. They give me a snowball.
No, nothing will happen. Sam, I'm behind the